The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Highland County, southwestern Ross County, northwestern Pike County, northern Brown County, northern Adams County until 8:30 p.m. At 7:37 p.m., radar indicated severe thunderstorms located along a line extending from Mount Orab to Sardinia to Cherry Fork, moving northeast at 35 miles an hour. Storm hazards include winds to 60 miles an hour, quarter-size hail. Locations impacted include Seaman, Peebles, Hillsborough, Lewisburg, Bainbridge. In addition, Greenbush, Emerald, Bruford, Mayhill, State Route 136 at U.S. Route 62, Belfast, Newmarket and Danville are near the path of these severe thunderstorms. Seek shelter in a sturdy building. Stay away from windows and doors until these storms have passed. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILM and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.